Welcome to our channel Daily English. Improve your vocabulary. Body movement vocabulary. Standing, walking, jogging, running, jumping, sitting, crawling, kneeling, leaping, stretch, march, wave, punch, push, knock, hold, carry, pick up, pull, clap, dance, laugh, drag, break, bend, ride, lay down, skip, cartwheel, kick, hit, throw, dribbling, shooting, diving, catch, leap, crouch, jump, tiptoe, hug, dusting, shaking hand, combing, peep, digging, swimming, petting, nodding, slip, leaning, shrugging, shouting, scratching, watering, pouring, crickle, bath, crouch, kissing, stand up, making bed, counting, body movements, verb.